Welcome to creating your new course in Canvas. In this portion, we will be discussing duplicating, removing, and deleting items from a module. Within your course, proceed to the Modules index from your course navigation menu. Here we can see the modules that have been created within our course. Once you have designed a template module, or if you choose to use the template module provided as part of the course template from CLT, you may want to duplicate that module in order to keep those same pathways through the activities and content. To duplicate a module, from the module header, choose the three-dot kebab to the right and select Duplicate. You will get a visual that the copy is occurring, and we can then see that the copy has been made just below. Each page has been given a new title, as well as the assignments, discussions, and more, with the word copy added to the original name. To change these, using that same three-dot kebab, choose Edit on the item you wish to edit, and remove the word copy, and change it to the appropriate week, or any other update you need to make to that title. Please note that on modules that have a classic quiz, denoted by the empty rocket ship, you will not have the ability to duplicate the module. Certain items, such as classic quizzes and external tools, may keep you from duplicating the module. If so, you can temporarily move that item to another module by dragging it up and then making your duplicate. Once your copy is made, you can return the blocking item to the original module. To remove something from a module, we would select the three-dot kebab at the end of the item and choose Remove. It's important to note that removing an item from the module does not remove it from your Canvas course. It only removes it from the module. Think of this as removing an item from a file folder. Once we remove it, we are given a brief sanity check. However, I still have the ability to add that item back into another place within my course. To remove content permanently is called deleting. To do that, you must go to the index page for the type of item that it is. For example, if I wanted to permanently delete a quiz, I would need to go to the quizzes index, find the item I want to permanently delete, and using the three-dot kebab, choose to delete it. You are given a confirmation box to ensure you want to permanently delete this item. Think of this as rolling over to your trash can to throw something away. You must go to a different location in order to permanently dispose of the item. I would do the same to remove an assignment permanently using the assignments index page, the three-dot kebab on the item, and delete. I am still given the confirmation box, ensuring that I want to permanently delete this item. Please note that once an item is deleted from that index page, it cannot be recovered. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit clt.odu.edu.